Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys where you can find the hoop earrings now that the map has changed. So you can find hoop earrings here. So there's this green bag and it's going to be here. As you can see, there are hoop earrings. But you can also find them here, I think, or they just moved it permanently there. There used to be one here, but I think they moved it permanently on top of this green bag. It used to be in this wall and you can use it. I don't know if they still have one here, but I think they just moved it completely here. There you go. Those are the hoop earrings. They're there now, and that is it for this video. They used to be hidden in that wall. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.